Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our Tuesday math lesson. We are going to get started with our counting song. So stand up, get out of your seat, and get ready to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, boys and girls, we have a number of the day today. Let's try and figure out what that number is. Oh, we have Sonic again with us. Let's count how many Sonics there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 Sonics today. Let's see how many dots we have in our 10 frame today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count with me one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I might know what our number is. Let's see what the count says.
It's time to get up and stomp your feet. Do this great foot stomping Transylvania beat. Start nice and slow. 1, 2, and speed up more. Go and stop the way. Cause we're about to find out the number of the day. What's the number? What's the number? What is the number? The number of the day. I say simply Heron. The number of the day is 7. So that's the number. Yes, that's the number. That's the number. The number of the day. That's the number. That's the number of the day. 7. Now let's stomp 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, boys and girls.
Today is
Oh,
6.
let's see if we can pause this. All right, boys and girls, our number of the day is 7 today. And you are going to be doing this video for Tuesday and Wednesday this week because we divided up the work pages. So if you would like to watch this again tomorrow, you are more than welcome. But I'm going to show you all the pages you are doing for both days. So for Tuesday, you are doing 32, where you are circling the groups of 7 B's. So that means you need to count. There's one group up here. There's a group up here. There's one right here and one right here. And then you are matching the numbers all the way up to 7. And then you are drawing the same amount in color, if you want to, of dots in this box as this side. So in this one, you will have 1 green dot. In this box, you'll have 2 blue dots. In this box, you'll have 3 red dots. For Wednesday, that is all for Tuesday. For Wednesday, you are practicing your writing of numbers all the way up to 7. And you are counting the objects and writing how many in the box, just like our other weeks. All right, boys and girls, I will see you on Thursday for our last remote math lesson. Woo-hoo!